Machine and AI are taking over all the jobs. This kind of fear-mongering has been happening for quite some time. Parents are fearful and they're trying to find ways to future-proof their child. But I have some great news. As a parent, you can relax. There is in fact not been a better time to find jobs that are well-paying and also are fulfilling, provided your child knows how to think out of the box and solve real-life problems. Sundar Pichai, Google's CEO, very recently addressed his employees and said, be more entrepreneurial. Yes, that's the need of the hour. Not every kid is expected to code, but all kids are expected to have an entrepreneurial bent of mind. Sure, not all of them will end up becoming an entrepreneur, but they will all be expected to think like one. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for our exploratory class and know how we develop an entrepreneurial quotient in your child.